She hasn't ran in a long time. On today's episode of Watch Share Go, the $400 tracker turns into
four-wheel drive?
Yeah, a drivetrain upgrade. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Share Go, and today we're here with Lamborghini in the original $400 tracker build that turned into like a $5,000 tracker build. And she found another one and traded this one for this other one. So let's go look at it, figure out what we're getting into.
It's a bad decision for
That's
sure.
a great decision then.
It's a bad one.
This one just
I'm
sits,
excited.
so it's time for another one. First drive, 100% untest driven. That's supposed to be first. Wow, I thought driving that was a handful. Driving this is truly a handful. Lamborghini buys rig that can only be driven off-road because it's on, what are these, like 33s or something?
It's completely not street legal at all?
Oh no, it's just like impossible to drive. It's
okay.
completely street legal.
I'm sure we could drive this.
Gosh, there's no brakes. I love that, like, if you just move this towel, those are the U-joints. Oh, I think it might be it'll drive, unfortunately.
Oh no.
It looks like it is driving the front wheels.
That's probably why we're a little extra right now.
I was like, oh, that front output shaft's spinning. Let's see if we can get it to stop spinning.
I am so excited right now.
I hope you're in love with it, because
I am.
this thing's a handful.
Mostly because I love bad decisions.
Ah, yes. Okay, so.
Okay, we're gonna see.
There we go. No more front drive shaft. This towel is hilarious. Well, we got it going down the road. We had to play with the transfer case for like 10 minutes before it finally went into too high. I think it's in too high. And look at the steering deadband here. This is dangerous right here. We better back off. Yeah, you ready for the speed wobble?
That wasn't terrible.
No, it survived. Well, we are samurai-ing our way home, and this thing needs a lot of help. It also says we're going 30, and we're going like 55.
We are not going 55.
Well, we are when it says 30. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I was looking at Waze so we could have a speedometer. It's broken.
All our speedometers are broken, though.
Just on trackers. Oh, we found a little place to off-road, which means we better do that. Uh-oh. It won't go into gear suddenly. Oh, there we go. You got it back? Well, we tried to off-road. I do think this will go anywhere, but I don't want to be in these ruts and there's no way out. Look at the ruts. They're like a foot deep.
Yeah, we're gonna get back on the highway, just fling mud everywhere.
100%.
We were like stuck on nothing too. I guess you dug yourself a little hole.
Yeah, there's a big hole. I don't know if you just have to like hammer this when it's off-road or what, but it was not having that. Was not having it. Covered in mud again. Oh, popped out of four-wheel drive. Neutral, 4 high, 4 low, neutral, 4 high, 2.
I'm gonna have to figure that out.
Well, that's a handful to drive. I'm actually like breathing a sigh of relief that I'm not driving this on the highway anymore.
Get your workout for the day.
Oh, my arms are dead because you're like sawing at the wheel. Look at this. All of that is dead bad, even when you're sitting
going
still.
nowhere.
And it's not straight. Straight is like this. Well, how do you like your off-road beast here?
I am so excited about this. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm excited.
Top's nice.
Yeah, it is. It's like super nice, actually.
Your giant engine start button is nice. Mm-hmm. Oh, I was like, does it just always work?
Yeah, it comes with push button start.
Yeah, push button start, brand new, 2020.
It's got all the goodies.
Let's see. Can you turn on? Oh, the fan does work, but
yeah, it was blowing really cold air.
There's no heat. I don't even understand how there's no heat because the temp gauge shows that we're doing okay. Does this turn on at all? I think the connector's just unhooked. I might have to hop in there and figure that out.
Oh, sunglasses.
Oh, Ducati case.
Yay.
Oh, fancy. There's wheel locks, which is funny.
Got all the
Funny that it's got. Here's the other half of your glove box.
Oh, cool.
Just poured dirt everywhere.
Yeah, all over my white coat.
Cool. And have to jump it to take off. It does have back seat. That's something.
Those little speakers up here.
Hear anything? It says busy. Where it's everyone's on what? 9 or 11? 11, I think. 9. 9's what it is. Oh, that's cool. It has a jump to 9 and 19 channel. No one's on the CB there. Huh. It's a heck of a rig.
This is gonna be so much fun.
You're gonna need a trailer. I know you want to daily this, but
daily. Sure.
I assume that you're gonna buy a trailer and then pull this wherever you're going. That's how you're gonna daily it. So
that's what that guy was like when he got it.
He was gonna drive like 40 miles a day.
Yeah, he was gonna take it from El Dorado to Wichita every day.
It'll only go like 35 mile an hour unless it's red line.
He was probably really excited to get that tracker.
Yeah, our tracker was flawless. Those wheels and the tires and the axles look really nice, and it has Asian front axles. I do love the green. It's a really
I like the green. I'm not usually a green person, but that one's pretty.
Got you a whip, so you can hit things.
Whip with this.
I wonder how much.
You got mud all the way up there.
Yeah, there's definitely mud all over it. We need to go to the car wash. And you can take the doors off the Samurai. That's nice.
I know.
Just pop off. We need to go out and put it in 4 low next time and try to do some more crawling.
I need a winch though.
It's got a snorkel. That way you can go underwater.
Perfect.
I bet you can get the water up to about here before you're in trouble.
I mean, it's going to be coming all in through the floor.
Yeah, especially through that giant hole
it's
where the transfer case is.
Holes up here.
That's what I was saying. You can get about up to the door.
Let's keep it at the tires probably.
Got a bunch of stickers that need to come off, and somehow like this is a tinted top.
Yeah,
Did you see it's really dark? Yeah. And we have no clue what the miles are because it says like 45,000. The speedometer's off by 20 mile an hour.
So we're gonna say at least 245.
245 is a good guess.
You think we could just run over the Fiat with it?
No, I don't think we could.
You don't think it would work?
I think the Fiat's amazing. I don't want to do that. Looks like a Rancho steering stabilizer. Frame's been painted. Baling wire holding up the exhaust. Transfer case has been painted. It has an exhaust, but it must have a big leak because it's crazy loud. Transmission looks clean. Only one hole in the floor right there. We pulled out onto a 70 mile an hour highway and it was wide open throttle, and I was still thinking we were gonna get destroyed by a semi truck. It's all she had. Cool truck.
Thanks.
Yeah. Now you can do the off-road things. Like we said, it's a 1990 Suzuki Samurai 4-wheel drive this time, so should be kind of fun. Can go get the last one we got stuck high centered on the frame, right? This one might have a chance to not get stuck on the frame next time. So we'll do a little off-roading with this, kind of see how it works out. It's powered by the 1.6 liter 16 valve fuel injected engine, the same one that was in the 1996 Tracker that Amber just traded this for. And the tires are TSLs, I think? Yeah, TSL SX Super Swampers, 32 by 11.5 by 15s on these cool, like the stamped metal wheels there, that look really good on off-road rigs. So that is most of this thing. It's got a steering dampener. We can take a look under the front end here. It's got some like drop shackles. Brakes actually look pretty cool. Huh. brakes have been like cleaned up and there's braided stainless lines. I didn't see any of that before. Lots of paint, lots of new work underneath this thing. And the story we heard was the guy who was working on it just got a clutch in it, and then it needed the shifter bushing, so he just threw in the towel and said, I'm selling the truck. So it got a new shifter bushing yesterday, and now it shifts really well, and there's a lot of problems with the transfer case to get figured out. A real Lamborghini was over here playing with the Rolls Royce a second ago, so if you want to see that video, follow me on Instagram at WatchJRGo. There you have it, guys. Lamborghini's new to her off-road rig snorkeled Suzuki Samurai that may or may not stay in gear. Well, the transfer case stay in gear when you're driving it. I guess to start with, that transfer case, probably the bushings in there, something like that, and the retainer for the transfer case shifter, and the boot, because the U-joint's beside your head, and if it comes apart, probably wouldn't be great.
Yeah, that towel is sketching me out a little bit.
That towel is super sketchy because I think it's gonna fall in and get sucked into the U-joint.
I was like waiting for that to happen.
Oh yeah, you only had to pay $500 more for our $4,000 tracker. For this.
I thought we weren't gonna talk about money.
Yeah, it's whatever.
I thought we didn't talk about money anymore.
Well, we can talk about what we paid for it, and it was a lot. But this thing, honestly, it's pretty easy to sell these things for like $4,500 probably. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to head on over to shopwatchjrgo.com where you can get cool shirts like the one I'm wearing underneath this hoodie. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. I sold the 7 Series this morning.
Did you?
That's why you have a parking spot.
Hey.
Diamond plate seats. Check it out.
Those gotta go.
Yeah, I'm not about the diamond plate seats, but they're actually really like cushy.
Yeah, no, I'm just meaning.
Pretty grippy too.
They're pretty ripped in half.
Yeah, they're destroyed. Some drain holes up there where the grommets have been popped out. ECU is just chilling. Huh. And your Optima battery is dead, which is sad because Optimas are amazing.
He told me he thought he left the lights on overnight.
I feel like it's got a bad battery.
Probably does.
Plus, it's a $200 battery. Could use another one of those. It has the deep cycle though. Pretty sure Blue Top's deep cycle.